Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify this expression right here correctly. 90% of students got this expression wrong. Now we have to simplify 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. Let's have a solution. We have 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. Many persons make this simple mistake. They group this into two parts. They have this and they have this. Now here 6 divided by 6, that will give 1. Then divided by 6 divided by 6, that will give 1. They are right here, 1 divided by 1, that gives 1. But this answer is completely wrong. But as such, this first approach is wrong approach. To get this correctly, you need to apply this. We have 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. Now since this is division or true, what you need to do first, just divide this first. 6 divided by 6, that will give 1. And we have here 1 divided by 6, then we divided by 6. When right here, we are going to apply KCF here. Apply KCF here. Which means first K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. What does this implies here? Here, 1 divided by 6 can also be expressed in this form. Then what we need to do here, we are going to change this division to multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of 6 and we have 1 over 6. That's mean we flip this. In that case here, we're going to have your 1 multiplied by 1, that gives us 1. When 6 multiplied by 6, that gives us 36. And this is the correct answer to this expression right here. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. If you have done that, thank you so much. And make sure you stay tuned for more videos like this.